Every time you click that final book button on a hotel website, a tiny voice in your head probably asks if you could have found it cheaper elsewhere. It is a nagging, persistent doubt that haunts every traveler. You spend hours toggling between different windows. You compare the same double queen room across 4 different platforms. Your brain starts to feel like mush. This is the exact friction that a tool like RatePunk is designed to eliminate. It functions as a browser extension that acts like a silent partner during your travel planning phase. The beauty of it lies in its total simplicity. You are not required to learn a new interface or navigate a complex dashboard. You simply go about your business. You search for that beach resort or that city center apartment, just like you always do. While you are looking at the photos and checking the amenities, the extension is working behind the scenes. It is scanning the massive landscape of the travel industry to see if another provider has a lower rate for that exact same stay. If it finds a better deal, it lets you know right there on the page. You do not have to move. You do not have to open a single extra tab. This kind of automation is a massive relief for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the sheer volume of travel sites out there today. It is essentially like having a personal assistant who is obsessed with price matching. Sometimes the difference is substantial enough to cover a nice dinner out. Other times the savings are more modest. But even a small saving feels like a victory against the rising costs of travel. One of the most helpful features is the way it gives you context on the price. It can tell you if the current rate is actually a good deal or if you are looking at a seasonal spike. This helps you decide if you should book right now or wait a few days to see if the market shifts. It takes the guesswork out of the timing. The setup process is almost non-existent. You install it and it just works. There are no menus to manage, and no settings to constantly tweak. However, it is important to stay grounded in reality. This tool is not a magic wand that creates discounts out of thin air. If the price you are looking at is already the best one available on the web, the extension will simply confirm that for you. It is a safety net rather than a miracle. It ensures you are not leaving money on the table through pure oversight or exhaustion. In a world where travel costs are constantly fluctuating, having this kind of automated oversight is incredibly practical. It allows you to focus on the fun parts of your trip instead of the stressful math. You get to keep your favorite booking habits while adding a layer of protection against overpaying. It is efficient, discreet, and surprisingly effective at bringing a bit of sanity back to the booking process. By letting the software do the heavy lifting, you reclaim your time and your peace of mind. It turns the hunt for a deal from a frustrating chore into a quick, automated check. That makes it a solid companion for any future adventure you have planned.